Hi guys, my name is Mars. I'm the new high school program student services coordinator at BCC, and I'm going to be showing you today on how to look for your textbook information through the frontrange.edu website. So first thing is go to the frontrange.edu website. Once you are in there, go ahead and look for the Paying for College tab and hover over it. You're going to go ahead and get this window and click on Buy Books. Once you are in this page, scroll down until you hit the Go to Campus store. Once you have reached this, hover over the Textbooks tab and click on the first option, Find Textbooks. You're going to be prompted to this. Go ahead and select the correct campus. For most of you, it's going to be the Boulder County campus plus online. The term will automatically be entered for you, so you don't have to really do anything for that, unless you're taking summer classes and you have to make sure that you're getting the right term there. The department obviously is going to depend on what you're taking. So I know some of you are going to be taking the Math 121 course. So go ahead, put department, Math, the course number 121. The section number is going to depend on what you chose for your CRN. So please make sure that you can log back into eWolf and double check which section number it is. I believe most of you are going to be within the 500 to 512 range, but it could be wrong. You could go ahead and do this with all your classes that you are planning to take for the next semester, or you can do one at a time. I'm going to show you what it looks like for when you have multiple classes on here. Don't quote me on the section numbers, okay? This can be completely different to what you're taking, so please do not type this in unless that's exactly what is on your end. If you're taking a 501 section class, and I'm going to add one more. So Math 093. Okay, as you can tell here, given the section number of this course, it says this course does not require any textbooks. Let's see about the other one. Okay, so for the course C12, it does. I don't believe any of you are in Math 093 section C12, but I could be mistaken. So once you are done, go ahead and click Find Materials for 3 courses. And you're going to scroll down to see all of these options. These 3 options are for History 122. All of these ISBN numbers are going to correspond to one book. This is what is important. I need you to email your professor with all of these books because it does say required. I need you to email their professor. That's going to be your class professor, and ask them if these are all required or which ones aren't. That way I can kind of get those book orders going for you guys. So that was for the history. This is for the Math 0193 course. Again, it gives you ISBN number, title, edition, publisher. Go ahead and email that professor, or whomever that may be. Ask them if that's the course. And it says go to class first. That's why it's important for you to email your professor to really make sure whether or not it's required. Because despite that it says required here, 2 out of these 3 may only be used in the semester. So there's no reason to be spending additional money if you're not going to be using the textbook. And then for the Math 121, there's only one choice. So then go ahead and email your professor, send in the ISBN number, the title, all this, copy and paste it into an email. That way you're not missing a digit or something, and get that confirmation. Once you get that confirmation, go ahead and fill out the Google form that I sent in the previous email, in the first email, and get that sent over to me so I can go ahead and get your course textbooks going. Alright, if you guys have any questions, just go ahead and email me. Bye, guys.